how to load film into a TOPCON RE-2. So we go as like every other film. Instead of pulling the film winder, the TOPCON has this thing here. I'm not sure how to call it. You have to pull it down and the back will open. It is very easy to load a TOPCON. So just like so. So the TOPCON has this metal piece where you have to insert the film right in there. So then push the film winder up, insert the film like you always do, push the winder down, and then try to insert the film inside this metal peg. It is very easy to do, and the film catches right away. So done. So you close the back, you wind it until number 1, or not, because this film is very short. I'm not sure why. So number 1, and now let's say we are done. To wind the film, you push the R button, you wind the film, follow the arrow, wind it until you cannot feel any resistance. If it's smooth, the film is already back inside your canister. Pull and then remove the canister from the camera. And this is how you load the film inside the TOPCON. Thanks for watching.